how to fix login error in HelloFresh UK application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem in the application, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to connect to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if you're facing any other kinds of problem during login, you can simply tap on Settings, click on General, and go to your iPhone storage. Here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the HelloFresh UK application. Tap on Show All and it will show all the applications available on a device. Tap on HelloFresh application over here and tap on Offload app. Tap on Offload app again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. The next time you log in into your account, you shouldn't be facing any problem. However, if you're still facing any problems during your logout, if you're still facing any other kinds of problem in the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.